Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a student email ID for discounts. First, understand that these emails unlock exclusive savings on software, streaming, and more, often saving you many dollars. Next, verify your enrollment at an accredited school, college, or university. Finally, confirm your institution provides official student email addresses, as this is crucial for eligibility for most programs. Creating your student email is usually straightforward. Begin by visiting your school's official IT or student portal, often found on their main website. Look for sections like Email Activation or Student Account Setup. Follow the clear, on-screen instructions, which typically involve entering your student ID number and setting a secure password. Remember to save your new email and password. Once created, access your new student email inbox to ensure it's fully active and receiving messages. This is your key to unlocking discounts. When applying for student offers, always use this official email address. Some providers might also ask for extra verification, like a student ID card or an enrollment letter, so have those ready. Many discounts offer up to 50% off. Your student email opens doors to numerous savings. Expect significant discounts, sometimes up to 60%, on software like Adobe Creative Cloud or Microsoft Office. You can also find deals on streaming services, laptops, and even textbooks. Don't forget to check for local discounts on public transport, retail stores, and entertainment venues, making your student life more affordable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.